Hi there, welcome back to our phone metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we want to be talking about Pathway, which is basically a platform that allows you to create forms, basically, and allows you to import any forms that you might have on any digital documents or PDFs into this platform to create streamlined forms. Straight away, you can see that the headline is quite clear, and even the subheadline clearly states what they do in a very transparent way. Okay, and they also do a few more things apart from forms. They also do some marketing automation. They also do BPA, okay, for insurance and then other stuff. But immediately we can see that they've got a really strong credibility in terms of the brands that they've already worked with. You can see them scrolling across this row right here, right, in many different applications as well, not just forms, but also, as you said before, marketing automation or BPA and stuff like this. And then scrolling down, they've got more information about how it works and all the softwares that they've got, all the tools that they have. And here you can also see a lot of testimonials, which are good for social proof, stating how they've been having a very positive experience, for example, this company. And they've also got some really nice video testimonials that you can go and watch if you wanted to. And this go more in depth about how uh, Pathway has been able to help these specific businesses. Here they've got more credibility in terms of the um, brands, and they've also got some certification stating that they are compliant with data, for example. So that gives prospects a peace of mind about using it. I guess potentially they might have added a frequently asked questions at the section at the bottom of the page to handle any objection a prospect might have had, and also potentially a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins by offering something like a lead magnet, a freebie, or a discount, or anything like that. But other than that, we could also check the pricing page to see how it looks. We can see the pricing page is quite clear. If you want a little simpler option, you can see that it's clearly displayed as being £315 per month, and each feature is clearly described underneath the tier, right? And you can see all these options that you get. But if you want something more advanced, then you're gonna have to actually talk to the sales team. But yeah, this pricing page is quite clear. Potentially, they might have added again a frequently asked questions specifically for the pricing page, and also some businesses try to add the same credibility elements like the logos or the testimonials around the pricing page as well, just to reinforce the positive impact on the prospects' minds that these businesses have. But yeah, other than that, I think it's a good website. So this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like to increase the conversions from free trials to um, paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.